Ever wondered why we sneeze? It's actually our body's way of protecting itself. When irritants like dust or pollen invade our nasal passages, our brain triggers a reflex to expel them. That sudden burst of air can travel up to 100 miles per hour. Sneezing also helps clear out mucus and bacteria, keeping our respiratory system healthy. Plus, it's contagious. Just hearing someone sneeze can make you want to do the same. So next time you feel that tickle, remember, it's just your body doing its job. For more fascinating facts, subscribe for more.